Ever grappled with the complexity of managing a vast array of documents in your IT organization? It's a common issue, isn't it? The chaos of unorganized files, the time-consuming search for specific documents, the confusion of multiple versions, and the looming threat of security breaches. These challenges can turn the simple task of document management into a logistical nightmare. It's clear that a robust, streamlined solution is needed, one that can handle these issues with ease. But what if there was a tool designed to tackle all these challenges head-on? Enter the DCTM Importer, your comprehensive solution to document management. This tool is a game changer, specifically designed to streamline and simplify the way we handle documents. It's not just an importer, it's an integrator, dovetailing seamlessly with your existing Documentum infrastructure. Whether you're juggling thousands of documents or handling sensitive data, the DCTM Importer is here to revolutionize your workflow. Now, let's dive into the distinctive features of the DCTM Importer. The DCTM Importer is packed with features designed to streamline your document management process. We'll start with the basic yet essential, the import process. This tool simplifies the task of importing documents into your existing Documentum infrastructure. Whether you're importing a single file or dealing with bulk imports, DCTM Importer handles it all with grace and efficiency. Now let's move on to metadata management. Metadata, as you may know, is the information that describes other data. With DCTM Importer, you can easily manage the metadata of your documents. This feature simplifies the process of categorizing and locating your documents within the system. It's like having your own personal librarian who knows exactly where everything is. Next up is version control. This feature is a lifesaver when it comes to managing different versions of a document. No more confusion or mix-ups. The DCTM Importer keeps track of all versions, ensuring you always have access to the correct and most recent version of a document. But what if you have a large number of documents to process at once? Well, DCTM Importer has got you covered with batch processing. This feature allows you to process multiple documents at the same time, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. Now let's talk about real-world applications. These features are not just impressive on paper, they deliver results in practice too. The easy import process means that you can quickly integrate new documents into your system. Metadata management ensures your documents are always organized and easily accessible. Version control saves you from the chaos of managing multiple document versions manually. And batch processing? Well, it's a game changer when it comes to handling bulk documents. Security is paramount, especially when it comes to managing documents. That's where DCTM Importer's advanced security features come in. These features ensure that your sensitive documents are always protected. But that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned. When it comes to document management, ensuring the security of your documents is of utmost importance. DCTM Importer places a high priority on this, providing robust security features designed to handle sensitive documents with the utmost care. From encryption protocols to access control measures, DCTM Importer has got you covered, ensuring that your documents are only accessible to those with the right permissions. But it doesn't stop there. To ensure you're always at the top of your game, staying updated with DCTM Importer is essential. Regular updates and feature enhancements ensure the tool remains on the cutting edge of document management technology. So, how can you stay in the loop? Easy! Sign up for notifications or follow the DCTM Importer blog to get the latest news and updates. Mastering the DCTM Importer is your first step towards streamlining the document management process in your IT organization.